Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my very first BoxyCharm unboxing video for 2020, guys. I can't believe it, guys. It's actually 2020. I'm sure you guys are just like, yes, it's 2020. Yes, it's a new decade, but oh my gosh, like I'm just still kind of like, what, you know? But anyway, so as you guys can see by the title, it is going to be an unboxing of BoxyCharm. So I'm just excited, and let's just go ahead and just jump right in. But before we do that, I do want to let you guys know that, just to give you guys a little bit of background of BoxyCharm. So BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription, and it consists of 5 full-size products with a value over $125. So I mean, that's a pretty darn good subscription box if you ask me, because it's the whole value of the box is over $125, or you know what I mean. So it's just kind of like, what? And you're paying only $25 a month? Like that's a good deal. But let me go ahead and just jump right into this box so you guys can see what type of deal I'm talking about. So I have my box right here. There it is. And previously, guys, the boxes were a lot smaller than this. So I think they upgraded the box to incorporate like larger products, because I know that we took like a complexion survey so we can get more like a foundation and concealer and stuff like that, and those products are pretty big sizes. So in the future, guys, we will be getting like complexion products, which is really exciting. But this is what the box looks like. This theme is breaking the ice. So we have our little card right here, and I see a lot of skincare, and I see some beauty products as well. First beauty product that I see here is their Too Faced Diamond Light Diamond Fire Highlighter. Check out the packaging, guys. Like, that is just so beautiful. And then I got the shade Fancy Pink Diamond. So let me go ahead and just open that up. So you open it up like this. Let me actually cover. So that's what that looks like. Look at that. It's so pretty. The product, super pretty. You actually kind of do a little finger swatch. This is pretty. I love it. It's so pretty that I don't even want to like use it. But that's the little just like a little finger swatch right there. So yeah, that's my first beauty product. I'm so happy. I actually never used any of the Too Faced highlighters, so excited. A little bit about this product. This retails for $36. Wow, guys, this is already over the box price. Like 36 bucks, come on. So it says that this is a one-of-a-kind highlighter infused with real crushed diamond powder and light reflecting pearls for a brilliant fancy pink diamond glow. So that's pretty neat. So again, this retails for $36, and that's already over the box. Like, for the next beauty product I'm going to show you guys is the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil. And I'm actually not going to open this up right now because I am currently using a mascara, and I just don't want to open it up and then kind of have it sitting there and then it go to waste. So I'll definitely be trying this out and let you guys know how this goes. But I do know that the castor oil is really good for like growing out your like eyebrows and eyelashes. So that's pretty neat. I'm definitely interested in using this on my like lower lashes, because they're non-existent. I don't have any lower lashes, so this is definitely going to be coming in handy. So going back to the card, this retails for $25. The next product is the, let's see what this is called. Okay, Avant 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. So that is what that looks like. And I was so crossing my fingers, guys, because like I said, I have been watching the BoxyCharm spoilers, so sneak peeks and all that. So I knew some of the sneak peeks, and I know that there was one for Glow Recipe, and oh my gosh, I just wanted to try that one so bad, because I'm dying to try that brand, and when I found out that they were gonna have it in this month's box, the sleeping mask from Glow Recipe, I was like, oh my god, please! I'm just so like dying. I'm hoping to try it out, but I didn't get that one in my box, but that's okay because this is a sleeping mask, so which is nice, and it's from the brand Avant. And let me actually read a little bit about it. So Avant Skincare 8-hour radiance renewal sleeping mask, and this retails for $107. Oh my goodness, $107, guys, that's crazy. So it says the 8-hour radiance renewal sleeping mask works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Which is nice. Definitely need to try this out. I've never tried a sleeping mask before, but hey, there's always a first for everything, so I'm definitely excited to try that out. So moving on to the next product in my box. So we have the Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream with Ruby Crystal Complex. Product we have, it is by Skin & Co, and it is their Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gamache. Ooh, that sounds so fancy. It says a delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. Truffle Therapy Face Gamache is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and the luxury Italian spa experience. Ooh. So this retails for $28. So this is 28 bucks, which again is pricey, but then again, guys, like, one thing that everybody says and I agree on is skincare. Like, it's expensive, yes, but you definitely have to invest. Have the Too Faced Cosmetics Diamond Highlighter, which I said was $36. The Dr. Brandt Skincare Eye Cream, which was $55. The Truffle Therapy Face Gamache, which was $28. The Avant Skincare, which was $107. Oh dang, jumped up quick. And then last is the Grande Cosmetics, the Thickening Mascara, which was $25. So a value of $251, guys. Wow, that is insane. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to go ahead and thumbs it up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.